In this video, you'll learn how to set SEO goals and track your progress in a dashboard. No fluff, just the essentials you need to know to improve your SEO performance. If you're looking for a streamlined approach to SEO goal setting and tracking, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use a dashboard to monitor and measure your SEO efforts effectively. First, let's talk about setting the right SEO goals. You want to start by making sure your goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, commonly known as SMART goals. For SEO, this could be something like increase organic traffic by 20% in 6 months, or improve the website's average keyword ranking to position 3 for targeted keywords. Make sure to focus on outcomes that directly impact your business goals, traffic, leads, or sales. Next, choose the metrics you'll use to measure those goals. Tracking your progress is key to success, so select metrics that truly matter. These might include organic traffic, keyword rankings, conversion rates, backlinks, bounce rates, or even page load speeds. The trick here is to focus on metrics that align with the goals you set. For example, if you want to increase traffic, track organic search visits. Now, how do you track this all? You'll need a reliable dashboard. A dashboard will allow you to monitor all your SEO goals and key metrics in one place, making it easier to spot trends and make data-driven decisions. Some of the most popular tools include Google Analytics, SEMrush, and Ahrefs, but after testing out several options, I've found one that stands out for its ease of use and powerful tracking capabilities. One dashboard that I highly recommend is Insert Recommended Dashboard Software, and if you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've arranged an exclusive free trial for you, only available to my viewers. You can grab it from the link in the description below. Setting up the dashboard is simple. Start by linking it to your website's data sources, like Google Analytics or Google Search Console. This will allow your dashboard to pull in real-time data, so you can monitor how your SEO efforts are performing. Once connected, set up custom reports to focus on the metrics that matter most to your goals. For example, you might want to track keyword ranking progress, backlinks gained, and organic traffic, along with other key metrics that reflect your SEO strategy. Then, define your goal milestones. For example, if you're tracking keyword ranking, set a goal to improve rankings by 1 position each month. You'll see your progress as the dashboard updates in real time, and you'll be able to adjust your tactics if necessary. It's important to review these metrics regularly, weekly or monthly, so you stay on track. One of the main benefits of using a dashboard to track your SEO progress is that it saves you time and effort by consolidating all of your data into one place. You won't need to dig through multiple platforms to get the insights you need. Instead, you can instantly see where you're succeeding and where there's room for improvement. To wrap up, the key takeaway here is that setting clear SEO goals and using a dashboard to track your progress is a must for any SEO strategy. By focusing on SMART goals, picking the right metrics, and using an intuitive dashboard, you can ensure your SEO efforts are on the right path and yielding the best results. Before you go, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial to Insert Recommended Dashboard Software in the description below. It's the best way to start tracking your SEO goals and progress right now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the link for your free trial.